DIY on a dime. Creative projects for your van life adventure. Transforming your van into a cozy, functional living space doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can craft practical solutions for storage, comfort, and style using affordable or repurposed materials. From building compact furniture to installing clever organizational hacks, these DIY projects will maximize your van's space and functionality while staying within your budget. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer or just starting out, these tips will inspire you to make your van truly feel like home. 10 tips for budget-friendly DIY van projects. Repurpose materials. Use scrap wood, pallets, or thrifted items for unique and affordable builds. Invest in multifunctional furniture. Create pieces that double as storage, like a bench with compartments. Use peel and stick materials. Affordable wallpaper or tiles can upgrade your van's interior without heavy tools. Opt for modular designs. Build furniture that can be rearranged or removed as needed. DIY curtains. Sew blackout curtains or use thermal liners for privacy and insulation. Create magnetic storage. Install magnetic strips for lightweight tools, spices, or keys. Install solar-powered lights. These are energy efficient and budget-friendly for off-grid lighting. Use collapsible storage. Maximize space with foldable bins or baskets for essentials. Craft a portable kitchen. Build a compact, portable setup for cooking and cleaning. Incorporate natural elements. Add plants or wood accents for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Living the van life is about embracing simplicity and making the most of what you have. With these budget-friendly DIY projects, you can create a space that reflects your personality and meets your needs without overspending. Remember, the journey is just as rewarding as the destination, and a well-designed van can make every mile feel like home. Start crafting and let your adventure unfold.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.